walking directly down that way to the stadium right there. Just to give you a little context, this is the Skyway. The Skyway actually goes to the stadium as well. It also goes to the train line. So this is called Guimarães. This is into the Taipa area. So we can actually walk down that way too and go over and go towards the sports stadium as well on the other side. But I choose to go down this way, and we're gonna go through a park and show you the stadium. There's also the train, it's up there too. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so you see this. This is actually the stadium. And in this particular video, we are going to be starting over on the other side of that blue building, and we're going to walk on the street coming this way from Taipa Central. All those tall buildings are Taipa Central. And we're going to come, there's a Skyway, we're going to walk the ground way, but we're also going to go up to the Skyway, kind of show you some other stuff around here, swimming pool, horse racing, and then of course the outside of the stadium as well. So stay tuned. Got a good one for you. Okay, that's all kind of Taipa proper, central, I guess they call it, like downtown Taipa. Taipa is basically when we look at Macau, we have Macau Peninsula at the top, and then the middle part's called Taipa, and Taipa is now fused with Koloan. So we're basically in this, we call it Taipa. It's basically the middle island of what used to be 3 islands. But they built Kotai. And actually, so here we are, this is Guimarães, that's the Skyway, and we're basically going to be going to that stadium right over there. And they have some events there, so we can see some things that they have. There's like a marathon poster. We'll show you all that too. We could have been up to there, and I have done the Skyway before, and I've also done the blue building, and I've done, it's called Guimarães. There's another street down that way that I've filmed quite a few times. But this one, I usually don't film in this area too much because this is kind of like a dead space. The best way I can call it. This is called Avenida Olímpica. I should be going down there, but what I want to do is just kind of go around so I can show you the stadium right there. The Skyway connects to the train line, so we saw a train go through there as well. So that's all this kind of sports. There's Galaxy Casino over there, and we're gonna go down in a moment. So let's go this way, and that's also called Taipa Village down that way. So the stadium is all right there, and we are gonna go down, and then we're gonna come back up. And we could have went the Skyway direction as well, but I haven't filmed down here in such a long time that I think it's good for a viewer to see what's down here as well. The Skyway definitely has the better views, but down here is kind of interesting too. So there's this giant park in the middle, there's a kid with his bike, and there's all these exit points that are around here. And we could also go up to the stadium as well from up there, which I could do. But instead we're just gonna walk directly to the stadium. So yeah, the stadium, there's like events that, for the community, basically. That new building there. So now we're gonna come out to the stadium right over here. So now you kind of got an idea of the stadium. And I might even show briefly what it looks like. Let's go this way. So we basically came out over here, and then that's part of the stadium, and there's more of that direction as well. I'm gonna walk in there in a minute, but I'm gonna show you from here first. Obviously you can't see too much from here, but we'll go up in a minute and show you. And there's a galaxy in the background. Okay, so let's go into one of the entrances. Yeah, pretty nice. And right up here they got some stuff that's going on, some of the big events. And it's like there's one that's like a is it a Macau International 10K, so that's going on March 19. February 18 is registration, so I guess that's all for online registration of the 10K run. I think they go over the bridge on that one. Okay, so here we go. Olympic Stadium, and it looks like, how do I go in here? So I think we're just going to keep walking down this way. Okay, so actually up here is the entrance as well, and I think this one right here is just basically like just sports in general, so you can do like ping pong and here, so they have a lot of sporting event stuff. Hey, how's it going? That's kind of cool. All right, so that's the Skyway. We could also walk down this way as well. I always like when people say hello. So we're gonna keep on walking. I think people like to be on camera anyway, so it's, and I don't know if we can bring the camera in or not, so I'll probably turn it off, and when I go in I'll turn it on. So I think those are spectators. There's one of the entrances. There's the competitors. Entrada. Okay. So we're gonna go inside in a second. And I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna go up the steps and try to give you a view, and then we'll go in and film it from up above. So I think there's some kids that are doing some Olympic events today. So let's go up to the top there. Okay, this is the view from up here. So we started over there by those blue buildings, but that's Ski Maharaj. I think this is called Avenida de Olympica, or it's that one going that way. And then now you can see the stadium really clearly here. And you can also see stadium exit, another part of the stadium, that's a swimming pool right there. If you go further down, there's part of Galaxy up there, the Galaxy Casino, and that's how you get into the train line. Trains will come into the station right there. And let's give you a little bit of a 360 of what's around here. So that's the entrance to the train. And over here is the horse racing. So you got a jockey club over there. So that's all on that side. And then you can walk down these skyways all the way down, or you can take the sidewalk, which is what I did on the other side. I'd love to walk into there sometime. I don't know if I can, that looks like it's actually accessible right there, I think. Looks like it. Maybe later. And that's the skyline, that's the Hengqin skyline, so they're creating this financial district over there, and it's going to be connected to Macau financially and economically, and I think they're working out the political side of it. I heard they're going to use patakas for small things, the money here, so that's another way to come down. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take a peek into the stadium, and that'll kind of round out. So you can see we had a stadium there, we had a swimming pool here, jockey club over there. So there's like three main things: stadium, swimming pool, and horse racing. So I'm just gonna walk on in. I think I have to talk to security as well, so, and then we'll just film there briefly, let you see what's inside a little bit. Okay, so we're inside. You can see right there, there's a little screen. So that screen is of these runners right here running, so they're doing a relay race. So we're actually having an event. I think it's for Macau students across the whole city. I think they're having an event against each other. So I think this looks like they're practicing a little bit of a relay. So they're just kind of doing the sprints. And there are people around, so actually you can kind of see what the stadium looks like from the inside. We're kind of lucky we were able to come in today and kind of take a look. So that's all Taipa Central right there. Over there is Taipa Grande, like the big mountain. If you go hiking on those trails over on the other side, you can overlook the airport. Over there is some of the casinos. So there's Venetian Casino, there's Morpheus Casino, there's a few over there as well. So we're kind of got lucky to be able to see inside, get a little bit of view for people to know what's all here in Macau and one of the stadiums for the community. Really nice venue. Yeah, and they're just kind of practicing there. So anyways, a little taste of Macau for you. So that's the big screen right there, so we can kind of see that, and then that reflects I think the runners are right there, so you can kind of see what they look like a little bit. And we're just gonna walk along the stadium a little bit. Yeah, nice screen. You can view in closely to things. So anyways, I'm gonna come up over there and just kind of give you a little bit of 360 so you can see it from different sides as well. A different angle now. So that's Taipa Centro. They're doing relay races around here. That over there is part of Taipa as well. And then over there is part of Hengqin actually. And then you can see the big screen. So yeah, this is another viewpoint of the stadium. You can see them doing the javelin right there. That's a pretty long throw. So pretty cool. So there you go. That's the stadium in Macau, Taipa. That's actually the stadium from that side, so you can still see it. And then I also just want to show you this other side, because I actually never see this side myself. But over here, you can actually overlook soccer. It's really, really cool. So yeah, basically this is kind of shared with the soccer right here, and they got a scoreboard, and they also have the that one. So what we're gonna do is just walk down this one a little bit. So yeah, this is at the top of the stadium, and we're gonna turn the camera off because people are. There's another view of the soccer field as well, and that's the mountaintop and some of the casinos over there, Morpheus, and so everybody's over here as well, and they're all cheering. It's kind of cool at the top of the stadium here. And another view. So this is like kind of kids playing soccer, and they got the Galaxy Casino, Parisian Casino, Venetian casinos over there as well. There's Parisian, Venetian. So in Londoner is just across the street. That's kind of a cool little setup up there too. So okay. And they got some races as well. So they got a relay. They're going to start here, and they're basically going to go all the way around. And they're just about ready to start. So yeah, they got races all day today. Then we got a big screen up there as well. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Actually, they're watering the field, so there's a big spray. They can actually spray like half of the stadium right in there. So anyways, there's another field over there too, soccer field over there. The main one over there. There's some more stuff over there as well. That's all Taipa Village. That's all Kotai. Okay, so we're going to conclude for stadium, but we basically kind of got around to see a little bit. Now we'll just kind of come back to where we started at. So we're in the inside of the stadium now, and we basically came through that little area as well. And yeah, so we started right over there. And I guess that's it for the stadium. So I hope you like that one. The inside of Macau and what it's like to live here. There's the end of the race. Pretty cool. Stadium. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.